How's everybody doing today? Got another shipment from MRE Nation. As you can see, it is beat to hell, no thanks to the USPS. And the bottom is split out. This whole top is caved in. Not MRE Nation's fault, that's the post office right there for you. But in one of my videos, one of my subscribers, who also has a very awesome channel, his name is Smitty. He does reviews on MREs as well. I'll leave a link in the description. But really good reviewer. Has a very nice sarcastic sense of humor. But noticed I had some swords laying around. So I'm going to unbox this box. I'll open this box with my Damascus one-handed sword. So my wife got me this for Christmas a couple years ago. Comes in a nice leather sheath or scabbard. And it is Damascus. So that means I get a plus 50 on my attack, plus 20 on my defense, but minus 2 on dexterity. I hate it when I lose to some of my dexterity. See, it's already working. Alright, final power race. See what we got in here. Alright, packaging slip and an extra piece of paper. Good for my knife reviews. So, menu 8, Tuscan beef. Menu 20, beef stew. Beef brisket entree, menu 22. Pinto stew with ham. Another beef stew. That one says 15. I think they have two different beef stew menus, but might be different companies, or because I think they were both packaged the same. Let me just make sure. This one's 15 and the other beef stew was 20. Alright, another pinto stew with ham. And unlabeled. It's alright, I like surprises. Another menu 8, Tuscan beef. Another menu 15, beef stew. And menu 6, vegan spicy chili. And menu 30, a creamy spinach fettuccine. I actually like that one. For those of you that don't, well, I'm one of the weird ones, I guess. Menu 36, Southwest beef and beans. Build your own MRE bonus pack. This one, creamy vanilla icing. This True Lime, crystallized lime powder. Looks like some lifesavers in there. Toothbrush, toothpaste, I think I already said that. More cheese spreads. Coffee candy in there. Looks like some extra sugar and stuff. Cool. What else we got in here? Now that is awesome. I've never had Icelandic chocolate before. Thank you very much, MRE Nation. This is a very nice surprise. I appreciate it greatly. That thing is super thick. Good ½ inch or more. 7.5 ounces of chocolate. And another bonus. Look at that. MRE Nation mug. That's that, I think it's powder coated, not cast metal, but a tin cup. Oh, good thing I got a knife laying around. Oh, this could use a stropping. Very cool cup. And another surprise. Again, thank you, MRE Nation. This is totally awesome. What else are we getting here? Antibacterial wipe. Good to have. A big pack of hot chocolate. A Nescafe 3-in-1. A Grand 3-in-1. Must be coffees. Sweetened condensed milk. My Russian is a little rusty, but I'm just gonna guess that that's sugar or maybe some type of coffee. I don't know. Somebody let me know in the comments, please. Oh, this one's a tea. It's like some sort of coffee. Ooh. Some digestive biscuits. Strong mint gum and a V6. Very cool. Alright, one more little box. Just use the cram it on this one. Okay, so the first box was my custom case. So these are my custom MREs. Got some beef stew, another hash brown, another Tuscan beef, Asian beef, Tuscan beef. So everything in these I picked, so like the main and the side and the dessert and the bread, and the spreads and all that. Another beef stew. And looks like another spicy vegetable chili. Last but not least, an E.J. Snyder, another little Esbit stove. Alright everybody, go check out Smitty on his channel, and definitely check out MRE Nation and go build your own MREs and custom cases. But anyways, y'all take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and yours out. And super awesome bubble wrap. This thing's really long. gonna take me a while.